What's up, guys? Universal Mastery. So what I do on my channel is I break down the occult to its scientific principles so that you can use them and apply them in your life and get real actual results. So what we're going to be talking about in today's video is an Ars Goetia demon by the name of Botis. Stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing I want to say is definitely go and check out the Patreon. Where you're going to find the Patreon is the very first link at the top of the description. What you're going to do if you become a tier 2 member or up is you're going to gain access to an exclusive video that will be weekly, that will not be uploaded to my YouTube channel. And you're also going to gain access to the vault of videos that I already have on there. And to throw this out there, a lot of the videos that I have on my Patreon are absolutely essential to getting involved in this art and practice. So definitely make sure you check it out. As you go up in tiers, I have from tier 1 all the way up to tier 4. Once again, tier 2 and up, that's how you're going to gain access to the exclusive content. But as you go from tier 2 and up, there's also different benefits as well. So definitely make sure you go and check that out for yourself. And once again, to be a tier 2, it's going to be $9.95 a month, and that will be a reoccurring payment. But really what that comes out to is less than $1 a day. So there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to afford it with the value that's already on there. But other than that, going right into the video, guys. So we have Botis. Okay, so we're going right into the description. Botis, pronounced as Botis or Botis, can bring you the deep dark secrets or true feelings of a named individual to light. Botis can make it so you have the superpower of drawing out those secrets yourself from just having conversation with someone. He gives courage in times of need and helps you make those tough decisions. Botis can make enemies become your potential friend and protect you from hatred or envy of other people. Psychic attack. Botis can help relieve tensions at home and can discern the past and present of any situation. Wow. Okay, so level is beginner to advanced. The tarot is going to be the 9 of Pentacles. Planet is going to be Saturn. Metal, lead. Element, air. Color, orange. Plant, lily. Incense is Storak. Zodiac is going to be Virgo. And the demonic end is Jedan Hoesta Nakra Botis. Jedan Hoesta Nakra Botis. Jedan Hoesta Nakra Bohis. And that's it. Wow, so I personally have not had my own experience with Botis before. I have not, and what I mean by that is I have not worked intentionally with him before. But from what we read in the description, it definitely sounds like he's got some pretty cool attributes that you can learn from and that you can gain, especially when it comes to being able to essentially reveal someone's secrets when you're talking to them. That's a very beneficial thing. And that's something personally that I can speak on and I can resonate with, because I don't know, I've always had a natural type of tendency or a natural type of energy that will cause people to open up to me. And I think a big reason for that is because I'm naturally an open-minded person in terms of I don't think just inside the box. So usually when I'm conversating with someone, I'm not beating around the bush, walking on eggshells with them. I'm not thinking like, okay, I don't want to make this person say too much to me. I don't want this person to feel uncomfortable. I'm not thinking those things. I'm pretty much in my own world, and I want to express that to people. I want to express the possibilities of life. That's just a natural energy that I have, and because I carry that energy of wanting to express, you could say the fun things in life, the potential of life, and once again all the possibilities there truly are. Because I carry that, it naturally will make people open up. And a lot of the times when people open up, the first thing, a lot of the times, the first thing that, if you can really open someone up, a lot of the times the first things that they'll start to tell you are secrets that they keep, that they usually will not tell anybody. So it's a pretty cool thing, and you'll be able to tell. I can tell when someone starts saying things that they usually wouldn't tell people, and it actually makes them feel really good, because a lot of the times people hold secrets in, and they really shouldn't. They don't necessarily need to be secrets. A lot of people think that they need to hold certain secrets in or keep something secret, when in reality it's really not a big deal. And a lot of times they feel that way because they don't want to make other people feel bad. And it comes down to, you know, a lot of the secrets that people hold is just potential that they don't talk about. It's stuff that they want to do, stuff that they want to experience, stuff that they want to feel. And the reason why they don't express that is because most people in society, like the masses, they're not really living their best lives. They're not really that happy, and they don't like, you know, if you start talking about those types of things with other people, then sometimes it can make other people jealous. Sometimes they'll shut you down because they're like, no, you know, you got to conform with the rules. You got to be black and white and all that stuff. And you know, it's hard to really express potential, because really, truly, everything is possible. And when you approach life with that mindset, you know, you're gonna have a lot more energy, because you realize that, and you're gonna be a lot more open with other people. And when you become open with other people, that gives them an access point to be open with you, and you create that channel for them. So yeah, so you can learn a lot of people's secrets. And then, you know, obviously it came down to, you know, what we read in the descriptions. It was talking about something in the nature of your enemy, and it was talking about how you can get your enemy to like you. And that's another interesting thing, because yes, I know what it's like to get like an enemy to like me. And I think what it has a lot to do with is gaining an ability to control yourself, so that you don't make it very clear that you don't like your enemy. Okay, do you get what I'm saying? So let's say there's someone that is really holding you back. And when I say holding you back, I mean like not letting you express, not letting you bring what you have to bring to the table. They're just, you know, they're stuck in their ways, they're pushing you away, they just don't want to hear it because they're the authority or whatever it may be. And then you may start to, naturally this is going to happen, you're going to start to build up like a resistance towards that person. Like, why won't you let me share? Like, I have a good idea what's going on here. But you don't necessarily have to be really confrontational with the person. Be like, hey, look, this is what, like, you need to let me speak. And you can. I'm not saying not to, but you don't have to. And it seems like you can, you know, obviously the mind is extremely powerful. So if someone's doing that to you and you're aware of it, then you're going to be thinking thoughts that's like, you know, fuck this person. You know, why are you not letting me do that? And especially when you practice this art, you can use that. You can use specific techniques with your mind to cause that person to essentially fail at what it is that they're trying to bring to the table. And if you do that, that's actually going to affect their daily actions. It's going to affect them and how they operate in the workplace. And, you know, it seems like if you use this demon, you can cause that person to that typically doesn't agree with you to connect with you, and while you're putting your magic to the table, making sure that person's, you know, not being as effective as they usually could be, then that person may be a little bit more open to your influence. And then as that person opens up to your influence, you can start to bond with them a little bit better and connect with them. And then that can actually neutralize things. That can make them, that person that typically wouldn't give you the time of day, now start to give you the time of the day, and forever from that point forward see you as a valuable piece of a valuable player on the team, essentially, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, other than that, that was my little spiel. That was just what I just shared with you, was just one way that you can use. It seems like that you could use this demon to help you just navigate life and move forward. And I'm sure there's tons of other ways. I mean, the description was pretty in-depth here. But yeah, you have all the attributes. Go search up the sigil. Get your own experience. This is just a description. This is just to give you a context. Get your own context, or get your own in-depth description from your own work. That's really what this is meant for. But once again, yeah, I'm going to wrap it up here, guys. Definitely hit that thumbs up, hit that like button, come over here, hit the subscribe, and hit the notification bell because I'm posting videos as often as I can. Definitely make sure you go to the first link in the description and check out the Patreon. Go to the link below that. It's going to take you to the Streamlabs merch where you can place an order for a wonderful Hecate sigil shirt that they will ship right to your door. Then go to the third link below. That's going to take you to the Facebook community. You're going to go there, see a pin post that says private group. Click that, request to join the private group. I'll add you in. The goal is to get a bunch of like-minded people together so that we can come to some very powerful realizations. Other than that, I'm going to wrap it up. Have a wonderful rest of the day or night, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.